Hi there, it's Becca here from Swansway Chester Peugeot, and today I'm showing you around this Peugeot Traveller Allure MPV. It's a 2019 model boasting the 2-litre diesel engine with manual transmission. This car comes from two previous owners with only 39,000 miles on the clock, and it's finished in that striking amber metallic paintwork. Some of the key exterior features on the vehicle include the automatic xenon headlights offering fantastic visibility. The car offers 17-inch diamond cut alloy wheels and also benefits from rear privacy glass in the rear for a sleek look to the vehicle. Now taking a look at the boot space of the vehicle, you can see you've got some storage space there when all of the rear seats are folded up. However, you can fold that third row down to provide more storage room for things like suitcases. You'll find sliding doors on both sides of the vehicle, offering easy access to the second row of seating, and as you can see they are power sliding as well. The vehicle offers full leather upholstery with ISOFIX mounting points found on all 6 of the rear seats. You can see you've got full-size seats there with tray tables on the back of the front seats. You've got plenty of legroom provided, and the second row seats can also slide and tilt to your liking. As you can see, you've also got 3 full-size seats on the third row, again offering ISOFIX points. Moving into the driver's interior, you've got controls on the door card for your electric windows and door mirrors. Moving inside, you'll find brushed aluminium detailing throughout, and the vehicle also benefits from the panoramic sunroof. You'll also find controls there for the separate air conditioning for the rear seats, and then the front seats are both electrically adjustable with the massage function and are also heated. Now the steering wheel is multifunction with volume and media controls available on there, and then just behind the wheel you will find the cruise control and speed limiter, which comes in handy for motorway driving. Taking a look up at the dials, you can see you've got the digital screen offering access to exact mileage and trip information, and the Traveller also benefits from a head-up display. Moving across to the touchscreen media system, you've got plenty of features to choose from here too, including access to all of your vehicle settings and driving functions, so you can adjust the driver assistance to your liking. In terms of music, you have got access to DAB, FM and AM radio wavebands with plenty of preloaded stations for you to choose from. However, you can also stream your own music when connected via Bluetooth or USB. You can also use the USB feature for connecting devices to use Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can access your apps through the media screen, and the Peugeot also offers full Bluetooth connectivity for taking calls on the go. The Traveller also comes equipped with its own satellite navigation system, allowing you to easily plan routes and check out nearby points of interest. Popping the vehicle into reverse will display the front and rear parking sensors and the rear view camera, making manoeuvres in this MPV a whole lot easier. Below the media screen you will find the dual zone climate control, keeping you and your passengers nice and comfortable, alongside the controls for your power sliding doors and the USB and media ports. You'll find you've got a start-stop button as the Peugeot does boast keyless start. You'll then find the 6-speed manual gear stick and the handbrake just by the driver's seat. Thank you for watching the video tour on this Peugeot Traveller, currently available at Swansway Chester Peugeot. For more information, please contact one of our sales team.